Today, I'm removing the custom exhaust from the ML63 and going back to stock with a twist. So stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share this video. As I said before in my previous video, I will be removing the custom exhaust that I did on the ML63. The reason why I'm doing that, because it's not giving me the exhaust sound that I expected, plus it was taken away from the AMG sound, basically. So you know that crackle and that pop and that farting sound that it makes every time that you're shifting gears in sport mode is not doing that. For some reason, the exhaust that I have under now is kind of like battling it out. So it's like, it's suppressing it, and I can't work with that. I need to hear that farting sound. So what I'm gonna do, I am going back to stock. I'm taking the car back to the local welding shop that I went to. He's expecting me because I told him the problem that I'm having. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the custom exhaust, put the stock exhaust back with a twist. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing now, so when I get to the shop, you're gonna see what I'm gonna be doing. The little twist that I tell you about, that I'm gonna be doing. So stay tuned. I just made it back to the shop. The car is on the lift. This is a stock exhaust. So what I'm gonna be doing, he's gonna cut the top of the exhaust open, and we're gonna go inside and we're gonna remove all the fiberglass that's inside of it, then close it back up, and that should open up this exhaust a whole lot. You can hear the engine, you can hear the farting sound, everything. Ali mentioned that I should have done this to this exhaust before, custom exhaust. So I'm gonna take his word for it. I've always wanted to do that mod, but I didn't know how it would sound, but he gave me the go ahead and said yes, I can go ahead and do it. Sorry for the noise, guys. So I'm gonna wait for the welding guy to come, and he's gonna go ahead and cut it open. The muffler is open, and look what's inside of it. So these are the fiberglass. We're gonna remove these fiberglass from the side. So I mean, it's set up like a straight through anyway, so we don't need to be welding any pipes inside. So we're just gonna remove the fiberglass, and we'll just put it back together, and that's it. Yeah, but it's not much insulation is inside of it, right? It's not much. This is how inside of a ML63 stock exhaust looks like. The first ever on YouTube. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start the process. So it took out all the fiberglass, and it's like a straight pipe setup. So everything is out, so this exhaust will definitely breathe a whole lot better. Alright, so now he's gonna go ahead and put it back together, weld it up, and we're gonna throw it back on the car. They just completed putting back the exhaust together. It looks amazing. As you can see right here.
Now what I noticed, that thing is going to be on the top of the...
Exactly. So this part is going to be up top, so you're not going to notice the welds. It looks amazing, guys. Now this is supposed to sound a whole lot better. Can't wait. So now they're gonna put it back on the car, and we're gonna turn it on and test it and see what it sounds like. So now they're about to put it back up. So now guys, the exhaust is completely finished. It's back onto the car, as you can see. It's welded back up nicely. Also, you can't even tell. I see the bottom. You can't even see the weld because the welds are up top. I think it's gonna sound amazing, guys. Tell me what you think. So now we're gonna bring it down. We're gonna start it up, give it some rest, and see what it sounds like. Guys, tell me what you think. Do you like this drop? This shit is slammed. This shit looks mad good. But the only thing is that it's stuck all the way in. So I definitely gotta get rims so it can stick out some more. This is how the car's supposed to sit. Now we're gonna start it up and give it some revs. Go ahead. Now guys, that's how a proper exhaust supposed to sound. Definitely sounds like an AMG. Definitely you hear the crackles, you hear the pops louder. I mean, oh my god, why haven't I thought about that before? Like anybody that has the ML63, I recommend doing that mod. You understand me? Do that mod. Don't buy no exhaust, nothing like that. Don't try any aftermarket muffler. Do the same exhaust setup that I did. I love it. I'm gonna definitely enjoy this car now. Guys, thank you so much for riding with me. Like I said, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. And like I said, I got more contents coming up. This video has come to an end. I'm happy. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.